Alright, so we're into SketchUp here, and I've just opened up the simple template. And so the first thing we want to do with the doghouse assignment is we're going to go to our rectangle tool, and we're going to create a rectangle. Doesn't matter what size. Whenever you go to use the tool, click, release, drag, and then click again to place it. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to get our push-pull tool. We're going to click, drag this up again, click, release, drag up, place. Now there are some shortcuts for both of these, so I'm just going to go back and undo this just to show you. So to get your rectangle tool to start with, you can click the R, and then that'll show up. So click, drag, place, and then to get our push-pull tool, we can type the P, and that'll show up too. Click, drag, place again to make the wall height. Then we're going to get our line tool, which is actually the L, it's a pencil tool. We're going to make from the midpoint on this line, and every line has a midpoint. And then we're going to draw a line across to the other midpoint. Getting our move tool by typing M, or clicking on this icon. We're then going to select that line we just made. So if you select it, release with your mouse, hit the up arrow, and that's going to constrain it to the vertical line. If we don't do that, I'll show you what that would look like. If you don't do that and you move it, it doesn't necessarily go straight up and down, and then your house looks all silly. So we want it to be just perfectly straight up and down. Then next thing we're going to do, the assignment asks you to make a door. So we're going to make a door by making a rectangle. Click, drag, place. Get your 2-point arc, A for a shortcut, and it's a 2-point arc, so click at one spot, click at the second spot, the second point, drag it up to a half circle. We'll then get our eraser tool, or you can just use your select tool, spacebar for a shortcut. Select that line itself and hit the delete key on the keyboard. Like I said, you can use the eraser tool and just click on that as well. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a window on the side. So click, place the window, and we're then going to use our line tool again and draw some bars in it. Now why it's important for this is that the assignment asks for you to have some different colored panes of glass in the window, and we can do this however we want. You can have like a 4 square type idea and so on. I'm just going to go with that